Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam missing file privileges. Now, this is an error that usually happens when you install a game or when you deinstall the game or delete a single file in a game. So basically, this is what you want to do. Now, first, you need to launch Steam as administrator. So Steam might run into missing file error if it doesn't have the right permission. So right click the Steam client and run it as administrator. Now from there, also what you want to do is you want to stop the LGFXEMN module process. Now this is usually Intel Graphics main module includes this process. So there's a chance the process is conflicting with the Steam functionality. Sometimes that can happen. Now, third is delete Steam cache. Now, this is something that usually fixes the issue. You just launch the Steam client, you click the Steam in the top left corner and head to settings. From the left panel, you select downloads, and then from there you have clear download cache. This is how it looks right here. As you can see, you have clear cache right here. So just clear download cache, confirm the action, and again, that's pretty much it for this particular part. Now obviously you can check the Steam download settings as well, to see if the game downloaded correctly or not. You head to Steam settings, downloads, and then open the download region menu and select the server that's closest to you as well. And also you can check the game file integrity. This is a very logical step. You just go to install files. Obviously you first need to go to properties, right click properties, then install files, and then here you have verify integrity of game files. So you can click that, and then once it's verified, it should be repaired and you should be able to play Steam games. Now you can also repair the library folders by going to settings and then storage, and then here you can just go and repair folder. That's also something that you can do. Reinstalling the game should be your last resort, even though it is a solution. It is a last solution that I would recommend to you. Now that's pretty much what should fix your issue. Comment down below if you still have this issue and I would be able to help you. But yeah, hopefully this video helps you out, and we'll see you in the next video.